In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to a Bullx wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and hover over the Bull icon just like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you do see Wallet Manager. Then you should get a screen that looks something like this. From here, go ahead and select on Solana. Then where it says wallets, go ahead and select on the wallet that you want to add funds to. So I'm going to be adding funds to my primary wallet, which is selected right over here. Then you'll now notice that towards the right hand side, you'll get a menu that looks like this, and we can actually go ahead and press on this button that does say add funds. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to say add funds to Solana right over here. And then it is going to give you a QR code, which you can go ahead and scan with your phone, or you can go ahead and just copy this right over here, which I'm going to be copying right now. So again, you could do this process with your phone using Phantom Wallet, the application. However, I'm going to be doing it on my PC just because it's a little bit easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. Then I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. Then I'm going to go to the browser extension and open up Phantom Wallet. Then you should get something that looks like this. This time, we're going to go ahead and press on this option over here that does say send. Then go ahead and select on Solana and put in the recipient address just like so. Then go ahead and select on the amount of Solana that you want to put towards your Bullx wallet. And basically, once you have funds on your Bullx wallet, you're able to buy meme coins, tokens, all that good stuff. So just go ahead and enter in how much Solana you do have, and then go ahead and press on next, and then it is just going to ask you for confirm. But that is basically how you do it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.